Hello everybody, I am at Mandalay Bay in Las Vegas and I did the $20 trick. I had booked a king strip view room and I was upgraded to a 2-bedroom panoramic view. I'm on the 30th floor, so you can see it's at the end of the hallway. Let's check it out. So as you walk in, it is a pretty small living room. It's divided by this table in the middle. You have a sitting area to the left, sitting area to the right. Both bedrooms are pretty much the same size. So we're gonna go into the smaller one first after we check this out. There's a TV with a surround sound system. Well, there's a sound bar, but then there's also a subwoofer over in this corner. Well, let's check out this first room here. Great views. So we actually face Las Vegas Boulevard. So there's the airport out there. That faces south. This is the first bedroom. This faces the window. Let's go into the bathroom here. Bathroom has dual sinks with a huge tub, which is kind of cool. And then we have a stand-up shower. Stonework on the bottom there, which looks really nice. And then this is the water closet. It's pretty nice. All right, so as we go out, we will go through this bedroom, and again, it's nice. It's just not super big, which is fine. Enough to entertain people. You have another TV on this side, and this is where your wet bar is. Obviously everything that costs lots of money here. On the counter, looks like they do have a coffee maker, but you're probably gonna get charged if you use it. I'm guessing refrigerator's down there. All right, let's go check out the other bedroom. This other bedroom is a little bit larger, and this is gonna give you a little bit of the strip view. So again, you see the airport, but if we look down, Las Vegas Boulevard, pretty sure it's Las Vegas Boulevard, you can kind of see the strip. So this should be really nice at night. Here's the bed. And as you can see, as we go into the bathroom, it is gonna be very similar. I don't know where my light switches are. Here we go. This is gonna be very similar to the other room. Looks like we got a little, same thing, got a big nice tub, big stand-up shower, dual sinks, and water closet in here. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching.